Bye. I want it big time on. And ruby soon. That matters have been. I'd rather have you. I want it for the nation. With everything new. And now that I have them, I'd rather have you. The kisses from your lips was sweeter than wine. The love that you gave me was something so fine. I give up my riches and reach to my tomb. 'Cause now that I have you, I'd rather have you. The kisses from your lips was sweeter than wine. The love that you gave me was something so fine. I give up my riches and reach to my tomb. 'Cause now that I have you, I'd rather have you. 'Cause now that I have you, I'd rather have you. Okay, ayan. Who sends me flowers when worries sound at all? Who saves each love I've ever sent? Who remembers everything about the day we met? If you're wondering who, sentimental you. Sentimental of you, I love you just the way you are. Sentimental of you, I need you like the night sun needs the stars. You're the kind of dreamer that dreams speaking up for true. And whatever you do, don't change. Sentimental of you. Who cries at the movies, thinking I don't see? And the loud video cartoons. Who complains that Christmas time comes away too soon? iyang kagalting ang isugan kalpanan. Pinansama sa ka, na di makilinit ni pamilya, na di baro na magas, kasakit ng asawa. Nagriksak, ipakasal na, para sa ito'y para sa iya, yung takulan ay may sangait agad. Basta niya sala sumangkit, puti malimin, anya narigat, di maglang rumahin. Ading nakikuli ang kabot, isupayan at pagpagagasin, alatiro, pagwawalo magpagin. Adamay sa amalem, nakita niya ko berdeng, nakatugaw, nagkakape, nakapuling-ling. Awanin, iti manalon, ina aming alalakon, awan kaketken, wanak nagkakapan. Aman, tut iti kamutin, insumangkit, simbal ibukang, iyang kalbertin. Nagitian na kanya, nagraman apok ko na, nagraranaga, hanapang isipin. Nagkalagaliwan, nagitian na, iti kinagaget, imalagapin ko na. At ang inhinyero, doktor na abogado, iyang kalberting, anyang at pagpupugurang. Basta wari ang kalberting, sala sumakit, puti malimin, hindayin at anak na kapasyari. Nakumang idagdagan, na pinagkaagal na, imitan ng syunin ibalay. Sikang ay karuba, amamuyo ka di isuna, iyang kalberting natang kay isuna. Araminin natin namin, kadagay